Okay, in this recording, I'll go over the Blackboard site for the course and point out various major components so that you don't don't have to waste time hunting for them. So this is the homepage for the course, and if you look on the left-hand side, the links on the top are sort of the global links. These are links that apply to the whole course. So this first link, the syllabus and the course schedule. These two links that you see over here, there's a PDF document that gives you the syllabus, and then you have this schedule. You might find this schedule useful because it gives a list of all the deliverables and their dates and so forth. So you might want to keep this handy. Let me pull this down a little bit. Okay. So the syllabus and the course schedule are over here. And if you scroll down, you will see various components of the syllabus that are repeated over here. The course grade and grading criteria, collaboration policies, and so forth. So this is basically a repetition of what's there in the PDF document of the syllabus itself. So either you can look at one or the other. There's no need to look at both. This other link that you see, which says project resources, there is a term project for the course, which will be done in groups. And this link, the project resources, gives you the project guidelines. This document gives you the details of how the project will be executed and the various milestones and deliverables. And then this peer evaluation is something that you do at the end of the module, just to capture your impression of how the group interacted in the course of executing the project. So this link called project resources contains the document associated with the term project that you will have to execute. Then this link called RapidMiner software contains a PDF file that gives you instructions on how to download and install the software that you will need for the course. Now the next link called Zoom links. At the moment, you see only one link over there. So I have a regular Thursday night meeting scheduled from 8:30 to 9:30. Attendance is optional, but it'll be recorded. And typically what I do in those sessions, I don't lecture because this is an asynchronous online course. I'm not supposed to do any synchronous lecturing. And the multimedia content that's there on the Blackboard side is what is meant to be used for as instructional material. So the Thursday meetings will be devoted to answering your questions. So you can come prepared with any questions that you have. But because by Thursday, you should have completed the reading of the conceptual content for that particular module. And any questions that you have, I'll try to clarify. I also usually spend part of that Thursday going over the previous week's homework assignment, just to provide some general feedback as to what I saw, or to answer any questions that people may have about the previous week's homework assignment. Okay, so those are the sort of the global links for the course. And then if you go down, you have links for each of the modules. So let me pick any one module at random here. First of all, the module 1, I've written part week just to emphasize that you have this unusual start date for this offering. It starts on a Thursday. So module 1 is not a full week long. It's part week long. And similarly, the last module where you complete your project is also part week long. So the first part week and the last part week together constitute 1 week, giving us a total of 8 weeks. Now, let me pick one of the complete week modules just to point out to you its general structure. So if you look at any one of these full weeks, you will see that the content has a general structure to it. So one piece of that module will be what's called a learning module. There you will see a multimedia presentation on the conceptual content for that week. And then the second component of that module will be the RapidMiner demonstration, the software tutorial that goes along with the conceptual content. So here's the conceptual part, and then here is the RapidMiner demonstration tutorial. So if I look at, let's see, module 6, for example, is the same structure. You have multimedia content about cluster analysis here, the learning module. And then you have the rapid minor video, which gives you the software tutorial on how to do cluster analysis, okay? And then each of these modules, full week modules, you have the quiz that you will do alone, and you have the group homework assignment. I haven't posted all the homework assignments just yet, but the first homework assignment has been posted, and as we progress in the course, I will post the subsequent homeworks as we go along. Now, let me. So this last module is the one where you actually complete the project and submit the presentation and the project report and your peer evaluation. And then you can see that module 8 has been set aside. That week has been set aside completely for the final exam, which will be posted when we get to that point. So this week, there's absolutely nothing else in terms of deliverables. So these are the modules. So there are 7 full week modules and 2 partial week modules. This is sort of the general layout of the Blackboard site. Now, one more thing, since your assignments and projects are done in groups, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see this link called My Groups. And if you look at this link which says homework group, you would have been assigned to a group already. So if you click on this right arrow, you would see here group members. So I have assigned myself to a group of 1, and you would see who all the other members are in your group. And you can email one another and just collaborate within your group. So all these, so you can see over here, these are all the group assignments that you'll have to deliver. So there's homework assignment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this project milestone 1, project milestone 2, project milestone 3, the project presentation, the project report. So these are all the group assignments that your group would be responsible for. So this is the general structure of the Blackboard site for the course. Hopefully you will find this useful.